This tutorial shows you how to allocate roles to staff in Tillex. First of all, go to the front of your platform and log in. Then go to the Partner Centre and click on Users, Groups and Accounts. Locate the person you want to give roles to, click on them, then click on the pencil and allocate the correct role. Best practice is to get your staff to create their own account at the front, and then you'll see them appear in the back office and can allocate roles. If you create an account for someone from the back office, they immediately get an email saying welcome to Tillex, and that might not be part of your plan. Okay, so let them create their own and then give them the roles you require. Hope that helps. Thanks, bye.